terrorists targeted tourists in Kashmir's Pahalgam.
Enlightening them about this attack is important for several reasons. They need to understand the reality they are growing up with. Students should engage in discussions about the importance of dialogue over violence. This ribbon here symbolizes grief, respect, and commitment.
What happened in Pahalgam on 22nd April this year is unforgivable yet unchanging. The victims of this attack deserve to be avenged, but not with violence. Ultimately, the people responsible are the terrorists. War would not affect them, but rather the common innocent people of both the countries. Revenge is necessary, but violence is not.
Raising awareness about the Pahalgam attack, we understand what happened is very tragic and traumatic. But as students are the future of the nation, we want them to be responsible and active. We are not encouraging any war or violence. We just want the students to understand how to be responsible and active for the nation. We want them to be courageous and we want them to become empathetic peace promoters.
Let's carry the spirit and be the generation that believes in Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
I pledge to stand for peace. Not violence. I will nurture empathy, courage, and unity.
We urge UN and stand by our country that this act of brutality
संवेदनाएं शायद उन परिवारों तक पहुंचाई जो बहुत दुखी है इस समय।
शांतिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्तिः।
Today, as we complete this peace walk, I stand here with a heart full of hope and gratitude. Each step we took was more than just a step on the ground. It was a step towards a better world. Our ancient prayer, Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah, Sarve Santu Niramaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kaschid Dukh Bhag Bhavet, teaches us something very special. It means, may all beings be happy, may all beings be free from illness, may everyone see only good things, may no one ever suffer. Isn't that what peace truly means? Not just silence, not just absence of war, but the presence of kindness, of fairness, of happiness for everyone, everywhere. Today, when we walk together without looking at each other's backgrounds, languages, or differences, we lived that prayer. We became a reminder that the dream of peace doesn't belong to any one country or community. It belongs to the whole world. Let us carry this spirit forward. Let us be the generation that believes in Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah.
We stand together today, united in grief and sorrow, after the horrific terrorist attack in Pahalgam that has left so many families devastated. It is an act of brutality that has no place in our society. It is important to remember that justice must be served. The people who carried out the attack and those who helped them must be held responsible. There should be no escape for those who choose violence over peace. We cannot allow such hatred to go unpunished. We must ensure that those behind it face the consequences of their action. At the same time, we must stand with the families who are suffering. We owe it to them to offer our strength, our support, and our compassion. In moments like these, it's important to remember that we are stronger when we stand together. We will not let violence divide us. We'll continue to fight for a future of peace and justice.
Kashmir, being a part of India, has become a place not safe to freely walk in because of the back-to-back terrorist attacks. And as of being an Indian citizen, I prefer Kashmir to become a place where no security is needed to plan for vacation. The sense of fear is in the eyes of Indians is real. I stand with the government.